Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka your mom's favorite Workman's Pomp, and well, I don't really have much more to say other than the title, which is this is kind of the update, my New Year update, and kind of the direction the channel's going for me. So I just wanted to give you an update for all the people that actually do watch and subscribe. Once again, thank you. You're my #1 customer. I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy whatever you want to say, and I hope y'all had a good New Year or whatever you celebrate. For me, a lot's been going on. So in November, some opportunities came up for me in a different part of the United States, and so if you didn't know, I finished my schooling and I have a degree in psychology with a minor in sociology. And basically what I've been wanting to do with my life personally is do mental health casework, mental health, like helping behavioral science type stuff, behavioral technician type stuff. I just wanted to help people. That's kind of why I got in doing the job I was doing, which was driving around doing hospice equipment, doing DME equipment delivery. Well, I am no longer at that job. I actually put in my 2 weeks in November, and I have since traveled across the United States, and I live in Cleveland, Ohio now. There's been a lot of opportunities down here for mental health, to do mental health counseling, and without actually having a master's degree in mental health. So for me, that was big news because I can start getting some experience that I couldn't get in Oregon, because everybody in Oregon really wants like a mental health master's, which is what I am working towards now. But I can get experience along the way. So to me, it was a big step. I kind of wanted to move away from Oregon anyways and kind of get out of my comfort zone. And I really wanted to get out of the job that I was in, just because I felt like I wasn't being treated right there, and I just felt like I was being overworked. I liked the job itself, I just didn't like being like overworked. And to be honest with you, it was kind of taking a little bit of a toll on my back and my body, because it's a really physical job and you're lifting a lot of heavy equipment all the time. So anyways, if you guys, any of you live in Ohio, look me up. I'm close to the Lockharts now. I'm close to Mike of Modern Man TV, closer, so it's kind of interesting. You might see some stuff with them coming up, you might not, I do not know. But I did talk to them about my move, and everyone's pretty excited. So that's what's new with me. That's what I've been up to. I've been kind of sporadic through the move and then through the holidays. You know, this time of the year, as you know, is always really bad, because it's like there's Thanksgiving, then there's Christmas, then there's New Year's. So it's like, for me, I'm going to get back on to my every week, every Sunday is what I've been trying to do, posting a new video. You might have noticed I have a lot of backlog videos. I'm going to be posting those when I can't film new videos, although there should be a new video around the time I post this, before or after. I don't know when I'm going to post this. It depends on how I feel on the weekend, if I want to post something or not. But I'm going to get back in the rotation of posting every Sunday. I'm going to continue to try and get newer products. I mean, for me, it's hard because I'm paying for everything out of pocket. I don't have ads on my videos, nor would I make a lot of money, because I'm lower subscriber. I'm doing it still for the community. I'm not doing the bleeding heart thing. It's just I can't get everything on the cusp like some of the bigger channels, like you know, Mike and all of them of Modern Man TV, because you know he puts a lot of time and effort into his videos. I put a lot of time into my testing of the product, but I'll be real with you, my videos are very simple. They're either going to be, well, they're in the work truck or they're at home, and for me, they're either going to be in my car, because I'm going to be driving around at my new job doing, like, you know, mental health stuff. So I'm going to be driving around to people's houses, so I'll either be doing stuff there or I'll be doing stuff in the bathroom. But I do still do a lot of activities. I still go to the gym, so I'll still be able to get an idea and do some more endurance tests when the summer comes around. Granted, it's the winter now, so I apologize. But basically what you can expect is I'm not giving up on the channel, and it was just a little bit kind of spotty there while I was moving for the past couple of months, but I'm going to start posting either new videos every Sunday or backlog videos if I don't have something I haven't finished with. And I'm going to be getting to some of the new Sheer Revival stuff. I'm going to be getting to, you know, some of the older stuff. I still want to do a lot of old school products that I haven't gotten around to doing yet. It's just always been kind of on a first come, first served basis. If people give me something, I like to try and get that review out first. So basically, what I'm trying to say is not much is gonna change really, just kind of the location of where you're gonna see me. You might see me in a car, you might see me at home, but you're gonna still be getting what you are normally getting from me, which is short videos that don't ramble, at least as much as I used to in the past, that are concise and that have my personal opinion on how the product works and how it works under duress throughout the day. So that's me. Other than that, there really isn't anything new going on with my life other than moving and, well, I mean, I guess that is pretty big, quitting your job, moving literally from the West Coast to the East Coast, and then just uprooting everything you know. So I guess a lot has been going on for me, but I'm doing well, and I'm in the swing of things. So yeah, feel free to throw me a line. When I hit 3,000 subscribers, I'm gonna do a giveaway. I talked about it in my last one. I was thinking about doing something like you can pick anything out of my personal pomade collection, which there's a lot of good stuff in there because a lot of people have made me stuff or I've collected old stuff. So I was thinking of doing something like that, or I was thinking I have a bunch of extra pomades like that I've been testing and doing, and I was thinking of literally sending like a flat rate, medium rate box full of those pomades. So I don't know, I guess you guys can leave it in the comments what you guys would want for a giveaway. And if you have any questions about what I'm doing personally or how I'm doing or what's going on with me or whatnot, then you know, feel free to drop it. I try to get back as you know, often as I can. Sometimes I get busy. Sometimes people like to message me a lot and hold like a daily conversation about everything. I apologize if I can't get back to that. I'm juggling a lot of different things. I usually am. So I try to answer questions and be there for people that, you know, the community, because that's what I'm still doing this for. All rambling aside, once again, I really sincerely hope that everybody's doing well, that they had a good holiday, and that they have a good new year, and you know, that they're looking forward to 2019, and hopefully that it'll be better than last year. You know what I mean? Like, we as individuals, we got to move forward with positivity. I know it's hard sometimes because you can't see where the next step is going to be, especially that's what my life has been with all the moving and everything, but you know, I do believe that if you invest in positivity in others and in yourself, you will see a positive return. So I'm not getting all new agey. I'm just saying, keep moving forward, keep staying focused, keep on track to your goals. You can look at me. I'm living proof. I'm finally finished my college degree and I'm moving on to my master's, and I'm doing what my heart's content, what I want to do, which is helping other people. And I'll be real with you, I never thought I was going to get out of Oregon. I never thought I was going to get out of Medford and do anything, really. So to me, I even amaze myself sometimes. Anyways, guys, hope you have a good one. Feel free to hit me up if you got any questions or any concerns, like I said. And have a happy new year.